The Seven Summits Trail. Singletrack that will kick your ass. Or at least, it kicked mine.
Oh yeah.
The trail is over 35 kilometers long and climbs 620 meters right off the bat.
I am just gassed after that climb. It feels like it's never gonna end. And I had to walk up some sections because I just couldn't make it.
Once on the alpine ridges, the views open up, and I love being able to see Old Glory with the fire lookout perched on top. Next time, I'm going to get a shuttle to the trailhead so I can send the full length of this epic single track.